Thinking about starting a vending machine business? Before you dive in, let's uncover the 7 most common mistakes new vending owners make, and how you can avoid them to build a profitable venture. Not all vending machines are created equal. Selecting the wrong type can limit your product offerings and reduce profits. Understand your target market and location needs before investing. A great machine in a bad location won't generate sales. Research foot traffic, demographics, and competition to secure profitable spots. In today's cashless society, not offering card or mobile payments can deter customers. Equip your machines with reliable card readers to maximize sales. Running out of popular items or overstocking slow movers affects profitability. Implement an inventory tracking system to maintain optimal stock levels. Machines need regular maintenance to function smoothly. Schedule routine checks to prevent breakdowns and ensure customer satisfaction. Operating without proper licenses or permits can lead to fines. Research and comply with local regulations to run your business legally. Even vending businesses need marketing. Utilize social media and local advertising to increase visibility and attract more customers. Avoiding these common mistakes sets the foundation for a thriving vending business. For a deeper dive into building a profitable venture, check out our comprehensive guides and services.